Hello everyone, my name is SIra BGNSF2021. I work at the Natural Science Museum of Thailand or NSM. I'm educator. The NSM operates 4 museums in total. The Science Museum, Natural History Museum, Information Technology Museum, and the Rama Museum, the latter of which I work the most often. Today, I'm going to share my experience in developing and designing educational programs for the museum using the principles of place-based learning and thematic approach. Overall, we found this method to enhance self-directed learning for more meaningful museum visits, connecting objects, exhibitions, and locations. The case study I will present today focused on my work at the Rama Museum.
First, we will start with the place called THAILAND. The Rama Museum is an ecological museum with a total area of 67,294 square meters, or about 9 football fields. 37,100 of which is the indoor exhibition space, or about 5 football fields, and 13,980 of which is the outdoor exhibitions area. The rest is office and utilities. The exhibitions galleries are divided into 3 sections. The first, our homes, invites visitors to explore the Earth's history and how we came to call this planet home. The second is Our Life, which has immersive dioramic displays of most of the Earth biomes, the living things that inhabit them, and how they make up their respective ecosystems. The galleries include the Antarctic, tundra, taiga, desert, temperate zone, tropical zone, soil and water, Thailand's ecoregions, and Thai forest ecosystems. The last 2 galleries in Our Life, which include an indoor forest and outdoor garden, aim to raise awareness and foster understanding about Thailand's unique ecosystem, as well as environmental literacy among Thai citizens. The third and final section is Our King, which examines the late King Bhumipon's scientific achievements for environmental sustainability, as well as his working philosophies and problem-solving methods, such as water erosion, cloud seeding, biofuel, and the use of weather clouds in soil and water. Now, let's look at the definitions of place-based learning and education. PBE makes student learning relevant and engaging by transforming topics in local geography, history, and economics into classroom lessons. Place-based learning is linked to natural and cultural environments. It provides students the opportunity to act locally to connect the global sustainability issues. Designing learning experience using place-based learning in the museum context takes the location strengths, such as display objects and exhibitions, and develop personalized learning that lets visitors experience learning by themselves through analysis, discussions, voicing opinions, and making decisions. The other main topic I would like to touch upon is using thematic approach as a way to utilize connection within a theme to enhance new learning experience, whether through actions, analysis, or interpretations of the exhibit. The connection between these 2 concepts is Using the power of praise combined with the thematic approach led to our development of the museum tale, a series of workbooks that contain open-end participatory questions for visitors to think about and analyze as they visit the exhibits. Each museum trail has a specific theme that the visitor explores while in the museums as they interact with the exhibitions and relate it to their personal experience and life. Currently, we have 6 trails: Loyal Initiative Projects, Science Careers, Precious Plants, Water is Life, Human Ecology, Dwellings and Adaptations. In this case study, we will discuss the first trail we developed, the Royal Initiative Project Trail. The trail has 6 exploration points scattered throughout the museums. Each point has a series of related questions to understand the main point of the story. For example, one of them is in the Research Gallery, where there is a tech panel about the suicide and desertification project in Phetchaburi province. The associated questions in the trail workbook invite visitors to imagine the consequence of desertification in Thailand. The next question takes visitors to the soil gallery to consider the water retention ability of different types of soil, such as loam, clay, and silt. It also asks visitors to think about the crops that are suitable for different soil types, or even remediations of husband and saline soil using natural methods like plants. The water gallery is right next door and has several Royal Initiative projects associated with water management on exhibit there. The trail question has visitors think about Thailand's geography and the right management method for our context, such as conserving water forests, building reservoirs and water gates, and preserving mangrove forest. Next, visitors will go outside for some fresh air and practice their observations and field note-taking skills in the outdoor gardens area. One part of the garden attempts to replicate the water management methods from the Lam Pak Beer Royal Initiative project, which treats wastewater using natural methods, namely, first, wastewater treatment system. Use algae to oxygenate the water. Second, plant filtration system. Cattails, leaves, and vegetable glass can filter and absorb waste products and pollutants. Third, conducted wetlands. Shadow pool built with reeds can further filter the water. And lastly, mangrove forest absorption. Mangrove root can help filter and trap any reptile substance. The final zone covered in the trail is our king, which dives deeper into his Late Majesty scientific methodology in observations, investigations, data collections, experimenting, prototyping, and evaluating the results of the Royal Initiative projects, all of which the ultimate goal is harmony between humans and our environment, or sustainable development. The tales ask visitors how they contribute to sustainability in their own life and what they can do going forward. In summary, the museum tale attempts to make museum visit deeper, more thoughtful, and more meaningful for visitors, rather than just plain fact-finding without critical thought. It also creates learning experience tied to place, which increase environmental awareness and responsibilities. Currently, all museums in the NSM are closed due to the pandemic, but we are also producing activities, programs, and virtual exhibitions that visitors can enjoy at home in the new normal stage. So, if you ever have the opportunity to visit in the future, we welcome you with open arms. Thank you very much.